Are you struggling to reach your audience effectively? Imagine streaming your content live to multiple platforms all at once. Meet Restream Studio, the solution that transforms your streaming experience. Stream to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more simultaneously, maximizing your reach. With Restream, you can invite guests and create interactive live shows that captivate viewers. Customize your stream with logos and backgrounds that make your brand shine. Engage your audience with real-time interactions. Highlight messages and drive action with calls to action during your streams. Whether you're making company announcements, hosting Q&As, or launching new products, Restream Studio has you covered. Take your webinars, workshops, and events to a broader audience seamlessly. Restream has helped many users increase their audience by over 70%. Experience the sales and visibility boost others have found with our platform. Don't miss out on the power of live streaming. Start using Restream Studio today and watch your business grow.